Now in this section, I'm going to look at the advanced filter criteria. So again, we've got our data here. So we've got salespeople, we've got countries, and we've got the amount. And down here, I've got this little table as well, which we'll see in a minute. So let's say I just want to see sales for this person, Augustine. What I'm going to do is I'll just type that into there. And we'll also type the country, which is UK, in there. So basically, I want to filter this list to just show me results for this person in this country. So if I click here within the salesperson column, then if I go to where it says data and then go to advanced. So before we used filter, this time we click on where it says advanced. So you've got the advanced filter dialog box. Now it's automatically picked up this information. Now in this case, what we want to do is to filter this information using criteria that we specified here in the range A25 to D26. So within the criteria range, we need to make sure that this has got A25 to D26, not 27. So what it's going to do, it's going to filter this information here using the criteria specified here. If I click on the OK button, as you can see, it's correctly filtered the information for just this one person in a particular country, and it's summed up the amount. So that's an example of using the advanced filter criteria.